Open source is source code made freely available for possible modification and redistribution. And you might have heard of some of these open source projects like Linux or Git or Docker or Spark. A lot of times these companies are really well utilized by a very specific company that will have a paid solution. And it really does help keep the project going or help with its mass adoption. In the case of Git, Git is actually managed by the Linux Foundation, so it's not necessarily a project that GitHub manages, but GitHub clearly makes makes good use of Git. So open source benefits include things as encouraging global collaboration, speeds up innovation, offers adaptability and customization, reduces software costs, enhances learning for developers, typically high quality and things that are typically high quality and reliable, provides transparency for trust and security, and open source software often have free community versions which make it easy for personal developers or small organizations to quickly adopt technology. If you're looking at that logo, that's from the OSI, or the Open Source Initiative, which is a nonprofit organization. They are the steward of the open source definition. This is a set of rules that help define open source software. And one cool project that they have is they maintain a list of open source licensing documents. And that way you're able to take these documents and quickly apply them to your projects. The top 5 most popular open source licenses are MIT, the new the new General Public License, so GPL, Apache 2.0, Lesser General Public License, so LGPL, and the BSD license. Depending on the license, it determines whether someone can redistribute your code as a commercial product, or do they have to alert you of how they're utilizing the product or reference you. There's all different kinds of licenses, and you can pick one which works for your code base if you choose to make it open source.